Hello! In this tutorial we're going to be making a trailing floral pattern just like this one here. We'll be using this trailing floral diamond repeat template, which you can download from my Freebie Library, and there's a link for that in the description. I'll also be using my pattern maker canvas and brush set to build out the diamond repeat, and you can find a link for that below too. Because I've already done a full tutorial on using this template, I don't want to waste your time by going over the same points as last time, so I'm going to jump right in with a time lapse so you can follow along using the ideas from this pattern. If you do want the full spoken tutorial on how to use this template and then come back to this one, there's a link in the description for that, plus a full beginner tutorial for making patterns with the diamond repeat. Let's get started. This week I'm using side-facing daisies, and I'm going to switch up the shape of the leaves by making them wavy and wiggly and get them all to nestle in amongst each other. So I'm drawing some of these wavy shapes in blind, so to speak, and then when I offset this in a moment I'll be able to see where the other motifs are lining up, and I can refine how they fit next to each other. As I said before, if this is new to you and you've never made a pattern like this before, then do check out those other two videos that I mentioned, because they'll give a more in-depth explanation on how we make patterns like this. For this kind of pattern where I want everything to fit really neatly together, I'll flatten a copy of the motifs as I go and then offset that so that I can draw the leaves to fit the flowers exactly. This is one of the main reasons I love being able to make patterns this way. Now I'm going to use the extra group to draw in the motifs which fall across the edges, and then we can put these back into the middle afterwards when we build out the pattern. And here I'm just having a big play around trying to decide what colours to use. I'm not quite happy with these, so I'm just having a big old play around deciding which colours I'm going to use. In the end, I decided to go with pinks because, well, pink, and I've added a clipping mask over the leaves, and I'm drawing in lots of different sunset pinks and oranges over the leaves to give this cute ombre look. I'm also making an offset of this now that I've added the colour, so that I can make sure that the colours I add in the extra group will blend nicely with the leaves that will be next to them. I hope you have lots of fun working with this template. Please share your patterns on Instagram and tag me at Rebecca Flaherty so I can see them and share them in my stories. If you've enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this every week. If you want to learn more about the diamond repeat and how I use it in my professional workflow alongside Photoshop, then I have a Skillshare course on that, and you can get a 30-day free trial when you join me using the link below. Thank you for watching, stay creative, and I will see you soon.